to the 2024 CDL Combination Practice Test. This test has 60 questions with explained answers to help you prepare for this test. Before we get started, don't forget to jumpstart that like button to keep this channel running. Now here is your CDL instructor to walk you through the questions.
Question 1. When aiming to maneuver a combination vehicle into a curved path on the driver's side while in reverse, which action is recommended? A. Drive slowly while you are backing. B. Rely solely on the passenger side mirror for guidance. C. Apply sudden and forceful pressure to the brake pedal for an abrupt stop. D. Engage the accelerator firmly while turning the steering wheel. The correct answer is A. Drive slowly while you are backing. To safely navigate a combination vehicle into a curved path on the driver's side during backing, it's advisable to proceed at a slow pace. This approach enhances control over the vehicle's movement and contributes to a secure and precise backing maneuver. Question 2. Which statement below is incorrect concerning an anti-lock braking system, ABS? A. It prevents wheel lockup during hard braking. B. It increases your normal braking ability. C. It allows you to maintain steering control during hard braking. D. It enhances stability while braking. The correct answer is B. It increases your normal braking ability. An anti-lock braking system, ABS, doesn't inherently increase your normal braking ability. Its primary purpose is to prevent wheel lockup and enable better steering control during hard braking, ultimately enhancing stability and reducing the risk of skidding. Question 3. Why is it advisable to secure the glad hands together or to a dummy coupler when the vehicle is not towing a trailer? A. It helps reduce wind resistance. B. It prevents theft of the glad hands. C. It avoids wear and tear on the hoses. D. It keeps dirt and water out of the lines. The correct answer is D. It keeps dirt and water out of the lines. Locking the glad hands together or to a dummy coupler when not towing a trailer helps prevent dirt and water from entering the air lines, which can lead to contamination and affect the proper functioning of the air brake system. Question 4. When inspecting the lower fifth wheel, what specific aspect is not necessary to verify? A. The presence of lubrication. B. That the shutoff valves are completely closed. C. That the kingpin is properly aligned. D. The condition of the release arm. The correct answer is B. That the shutoff valves are completely closed. When examining the lower fifth wheel, you do not need to check the status of the shutoff valves. The key elements to assess are lubrication, the condition of the release arm, and proper kingpin alignment for a secure connection. Question 5. While operating a combination vehicle, if the trailer becomes disconnected and severs the air lines, you should anticipate the trailer brakes to engage, causing A. The trailer to accelerate rapidly. B. The tractor brakes to keep working properly. C. The trailer to sway uncontrollably. D. The trailer to roll to a stop. The correct answer is B. The tractor brakes to keep working properly. In the event of a trailer breakaway that severs the air lines, the trailer brakes will activate due to loss of air pressure. As a result, the tractor brakes should maintain proper functionality, allowing the driver to control the tractor and the separated trailer, minimizing the risk of a more severe incident. Question 6. When engaging in coupling, what is the correct orientation of the fifth wheel? A. Tilted up toward the trailer. B. Tidled down toward the end of the tractor. C. Tidled to the side of the tractor. D. Centered underneath the trailer. The correct answer is B. Tidled down toward the end of the tractor. The fifth wheel should be tilted downward toward the rear of the tractor during coupling. This positioning facilitates a smooth and secure connection with the trailer's kingpin, ensuring proper alignment and engagement. Question 7. Which of these actions is excluded from the process of verifying airflow to all trailers? A. Listening for air leaks. B. Pressing the pedal several times to lower the air pressure. C. Inspecting the air hoses and connections. D. Ensuring that air pressure gauges are reading properly. The correct answer is B. Pressing the pedal several times to lower the air pressure. Pressing the pedal several times to lower the air pressure is not a step involved in checking airflow to all trailers. The other mentioned actions are part of ensuring that air is effectively reaching all trailers in a combination vehicle. Question 8. Among the following vehicle configurations, which one is frequently prone to becoming stuck on railroad crossings? A. Buses with air suspension systems. B. Double-decker passenger buses. C. Utility trucks with a small trailer attached. D. Single-axle tractors, pulling a long trailer with its landing gear set for a tandem, axle tractor. The correct answer is D. Single-axle tractors, pulling a long trailer with its landing gear set for a tandem, axle tractor. This configuration is more susceptible to getting stuck on railroad crossings due to the longer wheelbase and positioning of the trailer's landing gear. Question 9. This configuration is more susceptible to getting stuck on railroad crossings due to the longer wheelbase and positioning of the trailer's landing gear. A. Swiftly cut across lanes to save time. B. Gradually reduce speed and steer sharply. C. Make a sudden lane change before the turn. D. You should turn wide as you complete the turn. The correct answer is D. You should turn wide as you complete the turn. To avoid entering another traffic lane while turning, it is recommended to make a wide turn, starting from the proper lane position and then gradually moving towards the inside as the turn is completed. This approach ensures safe and controlled navigation through the turn. Question 10. What potential outcome could arise if you engage the trailer hand valve while the vehicle is in motion? A. The vehicle's speed will increase. B. You might make the trailer skid. C. The steering will become more responsive. D. The engine will stall. The correct answer is B. You might make the trailer skid. Activating the trailer hand valve while the vehicle is moving can lead to a situation where the trailer's wheels lock up, potentially causing the trailer to skid. This action should be avoided while in motion to ensure safe and controlled braking. Question 11. To release the fifth wheel lock, move the release handle to the A, locked, B, neutral, C, raised, D, open. The correct answer is D, open. To disengage the fifth wheel lock, the release handle should be moved to the open position, allowing for the proper separation of the tractor and trailer during coupling or uncoupling. Question 12. What are the two measures a driver can take to mitigate the risk of a rollover? These include maintaining cargo proximity to the road surface and A. Engaging high-speed gears on turns, B. Reducing speed before entering turns, C. Increasing speed during sharp turns, D. Avoiding downshifting on curves. The correct answer is B. Reducing speed before entering turns. To prevent a rollover, a driver should ensure that the cargo is kept low and reduce speed before entering turns. This strategy lowers the center of gravity and minimizes the chances of the combination vehicle tipping over, especially during sharper turns or curves. Question 13. What function is carried out by the trailer air supply control? A. It adjusts the trailer suspension height. B. It regulates the trailer's lighting system. C. By pushing it in, you supply the trailer with air. D. It activates the trailer's hydraulic brakes. The correct answer is C. By pushing it in, you supply the trailer with air. The trailer air supply control, when pushed in, enables air to be supplied to the trailer's air system. This is necessary for proper trailer brake operation and control while driving. Question 14. Should you utilize your handbrake to correct a jackknifing trailer? A. Yes, it will help bring the trailer back in line. B. Yes, it will help prevent the truck from rolling backward. C. No, it might worsen the situation. D. No, because the brakes on the trailer wheels are what caused the skid to begin with. The correct answer is C. No, it might worsen the situation. Applying the handbrake during a jackknife situation can exacerbate the skid and further destabilize the trailer. The best approach is to release the brakes and carefully steer in the direction you want the trailer to straighten, allowing the tractor and trailer to align safely. Question 15. Which of these steps is not included in the process of testing the tractor protection valve? A. Pulling forward at a high speed. B. Checking for the tractor protection valve pop-out. C. Applying the tractor brakes to release the trailer brakes. D. Pulling forward slowly, then applying the trailer brakes. The correct answer is A. Pulling forward at a high speed. Pulling forward at a high speed is not part of the process to test the tractor protection valve. The valve's proper operation can be assessed by checking for the pop-out and conducting a controlled test with slow forward movement and subsequent trailer brake application. Question 16. What are the top 2 crucial measures for averting a rollover when operating a combination vehicle? A. Applying the brakes firmly and making swift lane changes. B. Keeping cargo near the roof and accelerating on curves. C. Keeping cargo near the ground and driving slowly around turns. D. Checking mirrors frequently and using the horn liberally. The correct answer is C. Keeping cargo near the ground and driving slowly around turns. The primary methods to prevent a rollover when driving a combination vehicle are maintaining cargo proximity to the ground to lower the center of gravity and adopting a cautious approach by driving slowly around turns, especially sharp ones, to reduce the risk of tipping over. Question 17. Which trailer is at the highest risk of overturning when executing a sudden turn while towing doubles? A. The front trailer is most likely to turn over. B. Both trailers have equal likelihood of turning over. C. The rear trailer is the least likely to turn over. D. The rear trailer is twice as likely to turn over as the tractor. The correct answer is D. The rear trailer is twice as likely to turn over as the tractor. In a combination vehicle pulling doubles, the rear trailer has a greater propensity to overturn compared to the tractor or the front trailer due to its extended length and reduced stability. This makes it crucial to execute turns with caution to prevent potential rollover incidents. Question 18. What does the term off-tracking refer to? A. How the rear wheels follow a different track than the front wheels in a turn. B. How the tires leave skid marks on wet roads. C. How the rear wheels of a vehicle move in the same path as the front wheels during a turn. D. The process of turning off the engine while driving downhill. The correct answer is A. How the rear wheels follow a different track than the front wheels in a turn. Off-tracking describes the phenomenon where the rear wheels of a vehicle follow a path that is not precisely aligned with the front wheel's trajectory during a turn. This occurs due to the varying turning radii of the front and rear wheels, impacting larger vehicles like combination trucks and buses. Question 19. When connecting a tractor to a semi-trailer and positioned behind it, but not yet underneath, what is the necessary action to take before proceeding to back under the trailer? A. Activate the trailer handbrake. B. Hook up the emergency and service airlines. C. Engage the parking brake. D. Raise the landing gear. The correct answer is B. Hook up the emergency and service airlines. Before reversing under the trailer, it's essential to first connect the emergency and service airlines between the tractor and trailer. This facilitates proper brake control and communication between the two components, ensuring safe and effective operation when backing and driving. Question 20. During nighttime hours, when a vehicle is transporting a load that protrudes 4 feet or more beyond the rear of the body, what is required to be present at the very end of the load? A. Red lights. B. Amber lights. C. Warning signs. D. Reflective tape. The correct answer is A. Red lights. To ensure the safety of other drivers, when a load extends significantly beyond a vehicle's rear, red lights are necessary at the extreme end of the load during nighttime travel. Question 21. At what time should you employ the hand valve for parking a combination vehicle? A. During routine driving on highways. B. Before beginning a downhill descent. C. When executing a sharp turn while moving slowly. D. Never. The correct answer is D. Never. The hand valve should never be used for parking a combination vehicle. It is designed for emergency braking situations and should not be utilized as a substitute for proper parking procedures. Question 22. When connecting a tractor to a semi-trailer and after attaching both airlines, what is the proper sequence of actions to follow before reversing under the trailer? A. Supply air to the trailer system, then pull out the air supply knob to lock the trailer brakes. B. Press the tractor protection valve and fully press the trailer brake pedal. C. Engage the trailer handbrake and release the tractor parking brake. D. Shift the tractor into reverse and gently accelerate. The correct answer is A. Supply air to the trailer system, then pull out the air supply knob to lock the trailer brakes. Prior to backing under the trailer, you should ensure that air is supplied to the trailer system by pressing the air supply knob and then pulling out the knob to lock the trailer brakes. This sequence prevents unexpected movement and provides safe conditions for the coupling process. Question 23. Which among the following is not a function of the emergency airline? A. To apply the trailer emergency brakes. B. To supply air to the trailer air tanks. C. To inflate the trailer air suspension system. D. To supply air to relay valves that help the foot brake operate more quickly. The correct answer is D. To supply air to relay valves that help the foot brake operate more quickly. The emergency airline serves various roles, such as applying trailer emergency brakes, providing air to trailer air tanks, and inflating the air suspension system. However, it is not responsible for supplying air to relay valves that enhance the foot brake's responsiveness. Question 24. What should you do initially when coupling a tractor semi-trailer? A. Inspect the fifth wheel. B. Adjust the trailer landing gear. C. Apply the trailer brakes. D. Connect the air lines. The correct answer is A. Inspect the fifth wheel. The first step in coupling a tractor semi-trailer is to inspect the fifth wheel to ensure it's clean, properly greased, and ready for coupling with the kingpin of the trailer. Question 25. Which of these actions is not included in the process of inspecting the coupling? A. Checking the fifth wheel jaws are locked around the kingpin. B. Driving a few feet to test that it is connected correctly. C. Ensuring the kingpin is properly greased. D. Verifying the safety latch is engaged on the fifth wheel. The correct answer is B. Driving a few feet to test that it is connected correctly. While checking the fifth wheel jaws, safety latch, and kingpin are important steps in ensuring a secure coupling, driving a few feet to test the connection is not part of the initial inspection process. This action should not be taken until you are certain the coupling is secure. Question 26. When you are disconnecting a loaded trailer, what action should you take with the landing gear? A. Raise the landing gear as high as possible. B. Leave the landing gear halfway down. C. Makes firm contact with the ground. D. Extend the landing gear just slightly. The correct answer is C. Makes firm contact with the ground. While uncoupling a loaded trailer, it's important to lower the landing gear until it securely touches the ground to provide stability and prevent any unwanted movement of the trailer. Question 27. Why should you utilize chocks when parking a vehicle lacking spring brakes? A. To level the vehicle on uneven terrain. B. To keep the trailer from moving. C. To enhance fuel efficiency. D. To prevent the vehicle from overheating. The correct answer is B. To keep the trailer from moving. Chocks should be employed when parking a vehicle without spring brakes to prevent unintended movement. They provide an additional layer of safety by blocking the wheels and ensuring that the vehicle remains stationary, reducing the risk of accidents. Question 28. What is the outcome if you mistakenly cross the air lines while connecting to an older trailer? A. The trailer's landing gear will not deploy properly. B. If the trailer has no spring brakes, you will be able to drive away, but you won't have trailer brakes. C. You won't be able to start the tractor's engine. D. The trailer brakes will engage automatically. The correct answer is B. If the trailer has no spring brakes, you will be able to drive away, but you won't have trailer brakes. Crossing the air lines in this situation can lead to a scenario where the tractor's air supply can control the trailer's brakes, but the trailer won't have its own independent braking capability. This emphasizes the importance of correctly connecting the air lines to ensure proper and safe trailer brake operation. Question 29. When preparing to drive, what is the appropriate position for the landing gear? A. Halfway raised. B. Completely lowered. C. Fully extended. D. All the way up. The correct answer is D. All the way up. Before setting out, ensure that the landing gear is fully raised to its highest position. This prevents any potential contact with the ground during travel, ensuring safety and preventing damage to the landing gear. Question 30. Where are the shutoff valves typically located? A. On the dashboard of the tractor. B. In the rear of a trailer. C. Underneath the driver's seat. D. Inside the engine compartment. The correct answer is B. In the rear of a trailer. Shutoff valves, which control the airflow to the trailer's emergency and service lines, are usually situated at the rear of a trailer. They allow for manual air supply disconnection in case of emergency or maintenance. Question 31. The trailer's iron supports are raised, and the trailer is securely on the tractor. Verify that A. There is enough clearance between the tractor frame and the landing gear. B. The tractor's engine is turned off. C. The landing gear is fully extended. D. The trailer's brakes are applied. The correct answer is A. There is enough clearance between the tractor frame and the landing gear. It's crucial to ensure that there is adequate space between the tractor frame and the trailer's landing gear to prevent any interference or contact between the components while in motion. Question 32. When connecting a tractor to a trailer, you can determine that the trailer is correctly positioned by observing that the A. Trailer is tilted forward. B. Coupling surface of the trailer is just below the middle of the tractor fifth wheel. C. Trailer is tilted backward. D. Coupling surface of the trailer is higher than the tractor fifth wheel. The correct answer is B. Coupling surface of the trailer is just below the middle of the tractor fifth wheel. To ensure a proper connection, the coupling surface of the trailer should be positioned slightly below the middle of the tractor's fifth wheel. This arrangement allows for secure coupling and safe operation of the combination vehicle. Question 33. Which color is typically employed to differentiate the emergency airline among the airlines on a combination vehicle? A. Blue. B. Green. C. Red. D. Yellow. The correct answer is C. Red. In most cases, the color red is chosen to distinguish the emergency airline from the other airlines on a combination vehicle. This color-coded system enhances clarity and enables drivers to swiftly identify and connect the appropriate airlines, contributing to overall safety. Question 34. As you prepare to reverse under the semi-trailer, where should you position your vehicle? A. At an angle to the side of the trailer. B. Directly in front of the trailer. C. Diagonally across from the trailer. D. Behind the trailer's rear wheels. The correct answer is B. Directly in front of the trailer. When backing under a semi-trailer, the best alignment is achieved by positioning the tractor directly in front of the trailer. This ensures a smoother and more accurate coupling process. Question 35. To what extent should you elevate the front trailer supports, dollies, using the crank handle after connecting a semi-trailer? A. Fully raised with the crank handle secured. B. Only a few inches off the ground. C. Fully lowered to maintain stability. D. Halfway extended to save time. The correct answer is A. Fully raised with the crank handle secured. After coupling a semi-trailer, it is crucial to fully raise the front trailer supports, dollies, using the crank handle and ensure that the handle is secured. This action guarantees sufficient clearance between the tractor and the trailer and avoids potential damage while driving. Question 36. What consequence is likely to occur if you attempt to couple when the trailer is elevated too high? A. It might not couple correctly. B. The trailer landing gear may collapse. C. The combination vehicle may swerve unexpectedly. D. The tractor may stall. The correct answer is A. It might not couple correctly. If the trailer is positioned too high, attempting to couple it with the tractor might lead to an improper connection between the fifth wheel and the kingpin. This can compromise the stability and safety of the combination vehicle during operation. Question 37. Which of the following methods is not a means to determine the presence of an anti-lock braking system, ABS, on your trailer? A. Noticing the letters ABS on the left side of the steering wheel. B. Inspecting the airlines for ABS-specific markings. C. Checking the dashboard for an ABS indicator light. D. Consulting the trailer manufacturer's specifications. The correct answer is A. Noticing the letters ABS on the left side of the steering wheel. While checking the dashboard for an ABS indicator light and inspecting the airlines for markings are reliable ways to confirm ABS presence, noticing the letters ABS on the steering wheel is not indicative of the trailer's ABS status. It's better to rely on the other mentioned methods for accurate identification. Question 38. What is the consequence of crossing the airlines while connecting to an older trailer? A. The trailer's lights will malfunction. B. If the trailer has no spring brakes, you could drive away, but you wouldn't have trailer brakes. C. The trailer's brakes will lock up. D. The trailer's tires will deflate. The correct answer is B. If the trailer has no spring brakes, you could drive away, but you wouldn't have trailer brakes. If the airlines are crossed when connecting to an older trailer and the trailer lacks spring brakes, you might be able to drive off, but the trailer's brakes won't be functional. This poses a significant safety risk, as the trailer won't have proper braking capability, affecting control and stopping distance. Question 39. As you connect a semi-trailer to your tractor without backing under it yet, how can you determine that the trailer is at the correct height? A. It is touching the rear of the tractor. B. It will be raised slightly when the tractor is backed under it. C. It is significantly above the tractor's fifth wheel. D. The landing gear is fully extended. The correct answer is B. It will be raised slightly when the tractor is backed under it. When coupling a semi-trailer to your tractor but before backing under it, the trailer should be slightly raised. This allows for a smooth alignment with the tractor's fifth wheel when it is eventually backed under, ensuring a secure connection. Question 40. As part of a walk-around inspection for a combination vehicle, what aspect should you verify? A. The kingpin is not damaged. B. The current fuel level in the tractor unit. C. The availability of nearby rest areas for brakes. D. The road conditions ahead of your route. The correct answer is A. The kingpin is not damaged. When conducting a walk-around inspection of a combination vehicle, it's essential to ensure that the kingpin is not damaged. The kingpin is a vital component that connects the trailer to the tractor unit, and its proper condition is crucial for safe and secure towing. Question 41. When should the hand valve be utilized to secure a combination vehicle for parking? A. During routine highway driving. B. Only when going downhill. C. While making sharp turns. D. Never. The correct answer is D. Never. The hand valve, also known as the trailer handbrake, should never be used to park a combination vehicle. Instead, use the tractor parking brake to ensure the vehicle's stability and safety when parking. Question 42. Trailers equipped with air brakes that were manufactured prior to 1975. A. Have advanced braking technology. B. Typically use hydraulic brakes. C. Require manual brake adjustment. D. Usually do not have spring brakes. The correct answer is D. Usually do not have spring brakes. Air brake-equipped trailers produced before 1975 typically lack spring brakes, which are now a standard safety feature in modern trailers. Spring brakes provide additional security in case of air pressure loss and help prevent unintended movement of the trailer. Question 43. If the fifth wheel locking lever remains unlocked after the jaws have closed around the kingpin, what does this indicate? A. The coupling is not correct and should be corrected before driving the coupled unit. B. The trailer is ready to be uncoupled. C. The fifth wheel needs lubrication. D. The trailer brakes are engaged. The correct answer is A. The coupling is not correct and should be corrected before driving the coupled unit. If the fifth wheel locking lever is not engaged after the jaws secure the kingpin, it indicates that the coupling between the tractor and trailer is not properly locked. This situation is unsafe, and the coupling should be corrected before operating the coupled unit to ensure secure attachment between the tractor and trailer. Question 44. Once the coupling is complete, how should you inspect the fifth wheel connection? A. Applying the tractor brakes abruptly. B. Rocking the trailer back and forth vigorously. C. Pulling the tractor ahead gently with the trailer brakes locked. D. Engaging the trailer handbrake while accelerating. The correct answer is C. Pulling the tractor ahead gently with the trailer brakes locked. To ensure a secure fifth wheel connection, it's recommended to gently pull the tractor forward while the trailer brakes are locked. This action confirms that the tractor and trailer are properly coupled before you proceed with your journey. Question 45. In the absence of engine power and with brakes disengaged, what is the maximum allowable air pressure loss in 1 minute for a combination vehicle air brake system? A. 5 psi. B. 10 psi. C. 8 psi. D. 3 psi. The correct answer is D. 3 psi. When the combination vehicle's engine is off and the brakes are released, the air brake system should not lose more than 3 psi of air pressure within 1 minute. This requirement ensures that the system maintains sufficient pressure for safe and effective braking. Question 46. When is it necessary to use chocks when parking a trailer that lacks spring brakes? A. Occasionally. B. Only on steep hills. C. Always. D. Never. The correct answer is C. Always. Chocking the wheels of a trailer not equipped with spring brakes is essential at all times to prevent unintended movement. Chocks provide a safety measure to ensure the trailer remains stationary and secure while parked. Question 47. What is the subsequent step you should take after unlocking the fifth wheel during the uncoupling process? A. Immediately release the tractor parking brake. B. Pull the tractor forward so that it is partially clear of the trailer. C. Begin lowering the trailer landing gear. D. Apply the trailer handbrake to prevent movement. The correct answer is B. Pull the tractor forward so that it is partially clear of the trailer. Once the fifth wheel is unlocked, the recommended procedure is to pull the tractor slightly forward. This action ensures that the kingpin is fully disengaged from the fifth wheel and facilitates the safe separation of the tractor and the trailer. Question 48. What is the recommended gap measurement between the upper and lower fifth wheel plates? A. At least 2 inches. B. Exactly 4 inches. C. No more than 1 inch. D. None. The correct answer is D. None. There should be no space or gap between the upper and lower fifth wheel plates when a tractor and trailer are properly coupled. A snug fit between the plates ensures a secure connection, preventing any potential issues during operation. Question 49. How should air and electrical lines from the tractor to the trailer be positioned? A. Tightly coiled to prevent any movement. B. Rigidly attached to the trailer to reduce drag. C. Left hanging freely to the ground. D. Secured but with enough slack for turns. The correct answer is D. Secured but with enough slack for turns. It's important to secure the air and electrical lines connecting the tractor and trailer while leaving enough slack to accommodate turns. This prevents strain on the lines during maneuvering and ensures they remain functional and undamaged. Question 50. Which of the following accurately describes the practice of using the trolley, hand, valve before the brake pedal to prevent trailer skids while driving? A. It's a recommended technique for all weather conditions. B. It should never be done. C. It's a common technique used by experienced drivers. D. It's effective only on uphill roads. The correct answer is B. It should never be done. The correct practice is to always use the brake pedal before the trolley, hand, valve. Engaging the trolley valve before the brake pedal can lead to loss of control and potentially cause a jackknife situation. Question 51. Following the actuation of the trailer supply valve, when is it appropriate to refrain from moving the tractor until the entire air system is at what state? A. At normal pressure. B. Completely empty. C. At low pressure. D. Fully pressurized. The correct answer is A. At normal pressure. Once the trailer supply valve is activated, it is advisable not to begin moving the tractor until the entire air system has reached its normal pressure state. This ensures that the trailer's braking system is fully operational and provides safe control over the combination vehicle. Question 52. Which of the following is at the highest risk of experiencing a rollover? A. A fully loaded tractor trailer on a straight road. B. A passenger car in a parking lot. C. A motorcycle on a highway. D. The rear trailer of a triple. The correct answer is D. The rear trailer of a triple. The rear trailer of a triple combination is more susceptible to rolling over due to its extended length and reduced stability compared to other configurations. The increased length amplifies the effects of off-tracking and lateral forces, making it more prone to rollovers, especially during sharp turns or uneven road conditions. Question 53. Following the coupling process, what is the appropriate distance that should exist between the upper and lower fifth wheel plates? A. At least 3 inches. B. No more than 1 inch. C. Exactly 2 inches. D. None. The correct answer is D. None. There should be no space or gap between the lower and upper fifth wheel plates after the coupling is complete. A snug fit ensures a secure connection between the tractor and the trailer, minimizing the risk of separation while in operation. Question 54. What method is recommended for testing the functionality of the trailer's service brakes? A. Slamming on the tractor brakes abruptly. B. Pulling forward very slowly, then apply the trailer brakes with your hand control. C. Pulling forward rapidly and engaging the tractor brakes. D. Accelerating the tractor and trailer quickly. The correct answer is B. Pulling forward very slowly, then apply the trailer brakes with your hand control. To properly test the trailer's service brakes, you should pull forward very slowly and then use the hand control to apply the trailer brakes. This allows for a controlled and safe assessment of the brake's performance without sudden movements. Question 55. What scenario defines a tractor jackknife? A. When you lock up the drive tires on the tractor and the tractor spins out sideways as the trailer continues to push forward. B. When the tractor's steering wheel becomes difficult to turn. C. When the trailer's landing gear fails to deploy properly. D. When the tractor engine stalls suddenly during operation. The correct answer is A. When you lock up the drive tires on the tractor and the tractor spins out sideways as the trailer continues to push forward. A tractor jackknife occurs when the drive tires of the tractor lose traction, causing the tractor to skid sideways while the trailer continues to move forward. This often leads to a dangerous situation where the trailer can swing around and create a potential rollover or collision hazard. Question 56. When maneuvering in reverse to position a trailer, you should align A. Perpendicular to the trailer. B. At a 45-degree angle to the trailer. C. Parallel to the trailer. D. Directly in front of the trailer. The correct answer is D. Directly in front of the trailer. To efficiently and accurately back up under a trailer, it's recommended to align your tractor directly in front of the trailer, ensuring a smoother and more controlled coupling process. Question 57. What immediate outcome can be expected if the service line becomes disconnected while you are driving? A. Nothing is likely to happen until you try the brakes. B. The air pressure in the tires will decrease rapidly. C. The emergency brakes will automatically engage. D. The vehicle will come to a sudden stop. The correct answer is A. Nothing is likely to happen until you try the brakes. In case the service line becomes disconnected during driving, there is generally no immediate effect until you attempt to apply the brakes. This is because the service line controls the vehicle's regular braking, and only upon braking will the lack of pressure in the line become noticeable. Question 58. What is the method for providing air to the air tank on the trailer? A. By pushing in the trailer air supply valve. B. Through the service brake pedal. C. By activating the trailer hand valve. D. By pressing the tractor protection valve. The correct answer is A. By pushing in the trailer air supply valve. To supply air to the air tank on the trailer, you need to press the trailer air supply valve. This action allows air to flow from the tractor's air tanks into the trailer's air system, ensuring proper brake operation and control. Question 59. Which components regulate air within the service line? A. The trailer air supply valve. B. The trailer emergency line. C. The tractor protection valve. D. Both the handbrake and the foot brake. The correct answer is D. Both the handbrake and the foot brake. Air within the service line is controlled by both the handbrake and the foot brake. When either of these brakes is applied, it affects the air pressure in the service line, influencing the operation of the trailer brakes. Question 60. Why is it important to ensure that the fifth wheel plate is adequately lubricated as needed? A. To reduce tire wear on the trailer. B. To enhance fuel efficiency. C. To prevent steering problems. D. To increase engine performance. The correct answer is C. To prevent steering problems. Proper lubrication of the fifth wheel plate is essential to prevent steering problems, as it allows for smooth movement between the tractor and the trailer. Inadequate lubrication can lead to increased friction, difficulty in maneuvering, and potential safety issues.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you still need more practice, then check out these videos or click the first link in the description to get your cheat sheet, which will help you pass your CDL exam on your first try.